Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel AutoQuest. My name is Bhupinder and guys, today I have the very new Honda SP160. And those who are thinking that Honda already has the Unicorn 160, then why this new SP160? So I will explain that in this video, so stay tuned. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification first, and also visit our website, which is carquestindia.com. Now let's start with the design of this new S160. So if you have seen the Unicorn, that there are some characteristic adds there with the SP160 which makes this more sportier, which I will show you in this video. Let's talk about the length of this bike. So the length of this bike is 2061 mm and the wheelbase is 1347 mm, which is quite nice for such bikes. Now let me sit on this bike and let me show you the ride height. And the ride height of this bike is 796 mm, which is good for me. I am 5'8", and as you can see that my foot is touching the ground, so this is a nice thing and I am very much comfortable. The sitting posture is also nice. Once we will ride this bike, we will share the ride review also. Now let's talk about the variants of SP160. So SP160 has the two variants. This one has the dual disc brakes, so you can see that there is a disc brake in the front and there is a disc brake at the rear tire also. And you can also opt another variant which has the single disc brake, so you will get a disc brake at the front tire only. Now the color options. So this bike has 6 color options. So this is the dark blue option. Other than that, this you will get another shade of blue, then red, black, and there are 2 shades of gray also. So that was all about the variant and color option and the dimension of this bike. Now let's check out what features we are getting with the SP160. So from the front, this new SP160 looks quite wider and the width of this bike is 786 mm. So looks quite nice. And look at this front, amazingly designed. And look at this windshield. This is of black color. Honda is written here. And the headlamps given with this bike are the LED headlamps, and LED is also written there. So you can see there is LED written there. Hazardous light function is also given with the SP160. And look at these indicators. The design of the indicators is quite good. And there is the space for the number plate. And look at this mudguard. So this mudguard is of plastic material, and the front suspensions given with the SP160 are the telescopic suspensions. Down there you will see the disc brake. So this disc brake is of the 276 mm, and the tire size, the front alloy size is the 17 inches. And this vehicle comes with the single channel ABS, which is also a good thing, and in both the variants you will get this single channel ABS. Now let's check out from the side. And the ground clearance of SP160 is 177 mm. Look at this space here. So this engine looks, and everything here painted in the black color. Look at this part of the silencer. This is also of black color, and this is okay. So there is no guard here. Maybe you will be able to buy a guard in the accessories. Down there you will get this. I get this is metal, but this is very light metal plate given here. So there is this guard given on the engine, and the engine given here is a 162.7cc engine which produces the power of 13.4 PS and torque of 14.5 Newton meter. So we will soon ride this bike and will definitely tell you the performance of this engine with the SP160, because everyone has driven the same engine in the Unicorn 160, but with SP160 I assume that the performance will be much better. Look at the design of this kick. So this looks quite nice. So the design of this kick is quite unique here. And look at the foot peg. So this foot peg size is nice, but so the foot peg for the pillion is quite small. And the silencer is given in the black color, and there is this chrome plate given on this silencer. And now let's talk about the tire size, the rear tire size. So the rear alloy is also of 17 inches, but the tire size, let me show you from there. See, so the tire width is quite amazing, looks quite nice. And the disc brake, the rear disc brake size is 220 mm. From the rear, look at this. So the tail lights are simple lights. They are not LED setup, but they looks quite nice. And there is this M written here. So nicely designed tail lights and also the indicators. Down there is the number plate given. Now let's talk about the seats. So there is this black color leather seats given here, and the sitting comfort is quite nice. Me and Vinay checked the seating comfort on the SP160 and we really liked it, and there is this gray color grab handle given here. Now let's check out the bike from this side. So there is the side footrest given here, and look at this chain cover. So this chain cover is also, oh, this is not the metal, but this looks nice, and this chain cover goes up to the tire also, which gives an amazing look here. So this is also nice, and from this side this engine is also not covered, so the engine is open from both the sides, and SP badging is given to the both side of this bike, and there is the Honda badge here. Now let's check out the fuel tank design, and look at this. Nice, this looks very bulky here, and this cover of this fuel tank is also designed in such a way that this looks very good. And the fuel tank capacity of this SP160 is 12 liters, and this extended version, so this is all plastic material, this adds some amazing looks to the bike. Look at the design. So that was about the fuel tank. Now let's check out the main thing, which is this driver display. So there is a digital speedometer and this digital display given here, and you can check the average speed and average fuel consumption here, and also the side stand indicators given here in this display. So you can check all the informations here, and there is the fuel gauge. So this is also nice, looks quite beautiful. And to the right there is the engine kill switch, and down there you will get two switches. This one is for the hazardous lights, so you can turn off and on the hazardous light from this switch, and there is the engine start switch. And to the left there is the low beam and high beam switch, and down there is the switch for the indicators, and there is for the horn. So I am not allowed to blow the horn here, and I'm not gonna do this, but let's check out these rear view mirrors. So the design of rear view mirrors are also nice. So this is also cool, and you'll see such design of rear view mirrors in all Honda bikes and scooters. So they are not different and they work very well. And look at the shape of the handle. So the shape of handle is also looks very straight, but it is not straight, and this is very nice as per the design of these seats. So I have shown you by sitting on this, and the sitting posture is very comfortable. So that was all about the bike. Now let's conclude our video. Now we have checked the design and the features of this new SP160, so you can comment and tell us if you like this bike or not. Now the prices matters, so you can see all the prices on the screen, and all these prices are the actual prices of SP160. So we really like the design of SP160. This is quite different from the Unicorn, and there are so many things which are quite new for a bike of this segment. So that was our video about this XP160. Now we will see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.